So it's my pleasure to be with you today because we are discussing and explore exciting opportunities that will help you for your future. So first question we have here, why study with A&E? So A&E College is more than just an institution. They are dreamers, doers, and difference makers. So this is known for its practical, career-focused, and programs that prepare students not just to graduate, but also thrive in real-world industries. Next is we have also what makes this A&E different from the other colleges? So we have here the three key reasons. We have the career-oriented, affordable, and established college. So why the A&E is considered as the career-oriented? Well, it's because A&E is designed with one goal in mind, which is the employability. They are just learn theory. You're not just learning there with your theory, but also gain skills and experiences for the employers that are looking for. Next is which is the affordable. So alam naman po natin na lahat ng colleges they are competitive when it comes to tuitions. And hindi naman po kailangan sobrang taas ang isang tuitions para tayo mag-aral. Well, quality education doesn't have to come a heavy price. So A&E offers tuition fees, making international study more accessible for all Filipino students. Next is we have established college. So why A&E is considered established college is because with experience and strong reputations, they provide stable, supportive environment while students can grow academically and also personally. So, as we can see in these pictures, there are different teams and also the passionate individuals for A&E College is no exception. In this team composed of dedicated educators, administrators, and supported staff who are committed to the students' success. They are not just their professionals, but also guide the students. They are their allies and also their mentors during their academic journey. And then the presence of their A&E values includes their inclusivity, excellence, and of course, their genuine care for students. So, hindi tayo mag-work kasi meron doon inclusivity at may excellence at kinikare nila ang mga students to be safe, protected. Whether you're attending your first class, you're preparing for your graduation, sila yung mag-guide sa inyo throughout the journey. So, meron tayong mga packages. So, the question there is, which course package is right for you? So, nakadepende po yun sa inyong multi-core factors, which is the age, the previous study, previous employment, career, goals, and most especially the budget and many more. So mag-decide na po kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong package na pasok sa multiple factors na nakalagay